फिलोसॉफी और इकोनॉमिक्स से रिलेटेड है। अगर आप इस टॉप 100 एमसीक्यू को देख लेते हो तो आपको बहुत ही ज़्यादा ये हेल्पफुल होगा। साथ में मैं इसका 3 सीरीज चलाऊँगा टॉप 100 का, टोटल 100 100 100 300 का सीरीज़ होगा, जो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट होगा। इसलिए आप इसे देखने की कोशिश करें। ये जो भी 100 क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं, ठीक है। बिना समय को बर्बाद किए हुए आगे टॉपिक्स को देखते हैं। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंट्रीज डिडंट अटेंड द कांग्रेस ऑफ वियना? ब्रिटेन, रसिया, प्रूसिया, स्विट्जरलैंड। आंसर विल बी स्विट्जरलैंड। Switzerland didn't attend the Congress of Vienna. Next question, question number 2. Who said when France sneezes, the rest of Europe catches cold? Garibaldi, Mazzini, Metternich and Bismarck. आंसर होगा मेटरनिक। ड्यूक मेटरनिक ने कहा था जब फ्रांस छींकता है तो बाकी यूरोप को ठंड लग जाती है, और इसने ही मेजनी को सबसे बड़ा दुश्मन कहा था यूरोप का, और ये ऑस्ट्रेलिया का चांसलर था। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. विच ट्रीटी रिकॉग्नाइज्ड द ग्रीस एज द इंडिपेंडेंट नेशन? ग्रीस एज अ इंडिपेंडेंट नेशन। ट्रीटी ऑफ वर्साई, ट्रीटी ऑफ वियना, ट्रीटी ऑफ कॉन्स्टेंटिनोपल, ट्रीटी ऑफ लुसाने। Answer will be Treaty of Constantinople. Next question. Who was the responsible for the unification of Germany? Bismarck, Cavour, Mazzini, Garibaldi. Answer will be Bismarck. Next question. Which area was known as the power cake of the Europe? Germany, Italy, Balkan, Ottoman Empire. Answer will be Balkan. L, the measuring unit of Germany, was used to measure cloth, thread, land and height. Answer will be cloth. Next question. Zollverein, started in 1834 in Prussia, refers to trade union, custom union, labor union, farmers union. Answer will be custom union. Young Italy, the secret society of Italy, was set up by Garibaldi, Cavour, Mazzini, Victor Emmanuel. आंसर विल बी मेजिनी। इससे पहले आप लोग जानते हो मेजिनी सबसे पहले कार्बोनेरी का सदस्य था, बाद में यंग इटली और यंग यूरोप का उसने स्थापना किया था। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Ottoman Empire was ruled by the emperor of Turkey, Russia, Britain and Prussia. Ottoman Empire related to Turkey. Next question. At which of the following places was Frankfurt Assembly Convent? At the Church of the St. Paul, at the Church of the St. Petersburg, at the Palace of the Prussia. Answer will be Church of the St. Paul. Next question. What did the crown of oak leaves symbolize? Courage, heroism, peace, tolerance. Answer will be heroism. Question number 12. By which of the following treaties was United Kingdom of Great Britain formed? Treaty of Versailles, Act of Union, Treaty of Paris, Treaty of Vienna. Answer will be Act of Union. Next question. Question number 13. Which of the following best explain the utopian society? A society where everybody is equal, a democratic society, an idealist society which can never be achieved, a society with a comprehensive constitution. Answer will be an idealist society which can be never achieved. Question number 14. Among the following, which section was not included in the Europe middle class? Professionals, businessmen, nobles, industrialists. Answer will be nobles. Question number 15. All adult, 15. After the French Revolution 1789, the right to vote was given to all adult population of the country, all property owned men citizen of the country, all property owning male and women of the country, answer will be all adult population of the country. 1 minute. Answer will be ऑल एडल्ट एक्सक्लूडिंग वीमेन ऑफ द कंट्री, देश की महिलाओं को छोड़कर सभी वयस्क. Which of the following group of the power collectively defeated Napoleon? England, France, Italy, Russia. England, Austria, Spain, Russia. Austria, Prussia, Russia, Britain. Britain, Prussia, Russia, Italy. Answer will be Austria, Prussia, Russia and Britain. Which of the following countries considered as the cradle of the civilization? England, France, Greece and Russia. Answer will be Greece. Question number 18. The Treaty of Vienna, signed in 1815, brought the conservative regime back to power, destroyed the conservative power of the Europe, introduced democracy in Austria and Prussia, set up the new parliament in Austria. Answer will be brought conservative regimes back to the power. Romanticism refers to culture movement, religious movement, political movement, literary movement. Answer will be cultural movement. In Prussia, who were referred as Junkers? Military officials, large landowners, factory owners, aristocratic nobles. Answer will be large landowners. Which of the following is an allegory attribute of the liberty? crown of oak, red cap, olive branch, sword. Answer will be sword. Who among the following was proclaimed the first king of the Italy? Nicholas II, King George, William IV, Victor Emmanuel. Answer will be, what is the answer? Answer will be William IV. A nation state is a state where people of all group equal rights enjoy equal rights, where the nation has its own emblem and flag, a state which has contiguous territory, a state where people live in common territory, develop a sense of identity and share a common history. Answer will be a state where people live in common territory, developed a sense of identity, and share a common history. Question number 24. Most important outcome of the French Revolution of 1789. Abolition of the absolute monarchy, making of new constitution, transfer of sovereignty from monarch to French citizen, formation of National Assembly. Answer will be transfer of sovereignty from monarch to French citizen. Identify the mark of the incorrect response. The Napoleonic Code did away with all privilege based on birth and established equality. Destroyed feudalism in France, formulated code for the army, ensured right for the property of the privileged class. Answer will be ensured right to property for the privileged class. क्वेश्चन है गलत नेपोली कोड का कौन सा है? नेपोली कोड में ये नहीं था कि आपको संपत्ति का अधिकार के लिए विशेष अधिकार है, प्रिविलेज मिला हुआ है, ये प्रिविलेज किसी को नहीं दिया गया था, ये गलत था. आंसर विल बी डी. A large number of people were hostile to Napoleonic Code because बड़ी संख्या में लोग नेपोलियन की संहिता को विरोधी थे. क्यों? It was not suitable for all. It destroyed a special privilege of the rulers. Administrative change didn't go hand in hand with political freedom. None of the above. It destroyed the special privilege of the rulers. Question number 27. For the middle class of Europe, the most important feature of the liberalism was abolition of the conservatism, right to be liberal and educated, individual freedom and equality before law, representative government. Answer will be individual freedom and equality before law. Why did Frankfurt Parliament fail to achieve the goal? Women were excluded from the membership, didn't have the support to present, Kaiser William refused to accept the crown of the opposed the assembly, none of the above. फ्रैंकफर्ट संसद अपने लक्ष्य को प्राप्त करने में विफल क्यों रहा? रीजन इसका था कैसर विलियम ने ताज स्वीकार करने से इनकार कर दिया और सभा का विरोध किया. Question number 29. Nationalism which emerged a force in the late 19th century means राष्ट्रवाद जो 19th सेंचुरी के अंत में एक शक्ति के रूप में उभरा, उसका अर्थ क्या था राष्ट्रवाद का? स्ट्रॉन्ग डिवोशन फॉर वंस ओन कंट्री एंड हिस्ट्री एंड कल्चर. स्ट्रॉन्ग डिवोशन फॉर ओन्स कंट्री विदाउट एप्रिसिएशन फॉर अदर नेशन. A strong love for one's own country and hatred for others. Equally strong devotion for all the countries of the world. Answer will be a strong devotion for the one's own country and its history and culture. अपने देश और उसके इतिहास और संस्कृति के लिए मजबूत भक्ति ही राष्ट्रवाद था जो 19वीं शताब्दी में उभरा था. यूटोपियन सोसाइटी इज a society under a benevolent monarchy, a society that unlikely ever exist. Answer will be a society that unlikely ever exist. यूटोपियन विजन का मतलब था एक ऐसा समाज जो कभी अस्तित्व में आ ही नहीं सकता है, जिसका सिर्फ कल्पना किया जा सकता है. Pick the correct definition to define the plebiscites. Plebiscite, a direct vote by which only the female members of a region are asked to accept and reject a proposal. Plebiscite is a direct vote by the female members of the matriarchal system accept, reject proposal. Plebiscite is direct vote by only a chosen few from the total population of a particular region. Plebiscite is a direct vote by which all the citizens of a region are asked to accept or reject a proposal. जनमत संग्रह का मतलब क्या होता है, ये क्वेश्चन है. जनमत संग्रह यानी कि जनमत संग्रह रिलेटेड है जनता क्या मत. सिंपल सा इसका आंसर होगा plebiscite is a direct vote by which all citizens of a region are asked to accept or reject a proposal. Next question. Ernst Renan believed that existence of nation is necessity because Ernst Renan का मानना था राष्ट्रों का अस्तित्व एक आवश्यकता है क्योंकि it ensure protection to all inhabitants, it ensure liberty to all inhabitant citizen, it ensure parliamentary form of government to its inhabitants, it ensure job and good health for all citizens, all its inhabitants. Answer will be it ensure protection to all inhabitants. Next question. The French revolutionaries declared that mission and destiny of the French nation. फ्रांसीसी क्रांतिकारियों ने घोषणा की कि फ्रांसीसी राष्ट्र का मिशन और भाग्य था टू कंक्योर द पीपल ऑफ यूरोप, टू लिबरेट द पीपल ऑफ यूरोप, despotism, to strengthen absolute monarchy in the all countries of Europe, to propagate the ideal and liberty, equality and fraternity in every part of the world. हम लोग जानते हैं फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन का थीम ही था इक्वलिटी, लिबर्टी एंड फ्रैटर्निटी. और फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन वहाँ के लोगों का मेन उद्देश्य था कि पूरी दुनिया में इक्वलिटी, लिबर्टी और फ्रैटर्निटी को फैलाएं और बताएं. द सिविल कोड ऑफ 1804 इज यूजली नोन एज फ्रेंच रिवोल्यूशनरी कोड, नेपोली कोड, यूरोपियन इंपीरियल कोड, फ्रेंच सिविल कोड. आंसर विल बी नेपोली कोड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 35. लिबरल नेशनलिज्म स्टैंड फॉर. उदारवाद राष्ट्रवाद का अर्थ क्या है? उदार राष्ट्रवाद. फ्रीडम फॉर द इंडिविजुअल एंड इक्वलिटी बिफोर लॉ, प्रिजर्वेशन ऑफ ऑटोक्रेसी एंड क्लेरिकल प्रिविलेज, फ्रीडम फॉर ओनली मेल मेंबर्स ऑफ द सोसाइटी, इक्वलिटी बिफोर लॉ, फ्रीडम ओनली फॉर द सीनियर सिटीजन. देखिए लिबरल नेशनलिज्म का मतलब क्या होता है बस. आंसर विल बी फ्रीडम for individual and equality before law. The term universal suffrage means the right to vote to get elected granted only to men, the right to vote for all adults, the right to vote and get elected granted exclusively to property owning men, right to vote and get elected granted only the educated men and women. सार्वभौमिक मताधिकार, सबको मत देने का अधिकार होता है। जहाँ सार्वभौमिक आएगा यानी सबको मत देना है, ना यहाँ प्रॉपर्टी से मतलब है ना मेल और फीमेल से मतलब है। राइट टू वोट टू गेट इलेक्टेड गारंटेड ओनली टू मेन, ये रॉन्ग होगा, सॉरी। आंसर विल बी राइट टू वोट फॉर ऑल एडल्ट्स। Question number 37. Which of the following is not feature of the belief of conservatism? Conservative belief, established tradition, institute for the state or policy. Conservative stressed to importance of the tradition and preferred gradual development to quick change. Conservative proposed to return the society of pre-revolutionary days, were against the ideas of the modernization to strengthen monarchy. कंजर्वेटिव बिलीव्ड इन द मोनार्की, चर्च एंड अदर सोशल हायरार्की। क्वेश्चन क्या कर रहा है कि कौन रूढ़िवाद विशेष की मान्यता नहीं है। देखिए, वो चाहते थे रूढ़िवादी राज और नीति के स्थापित पारंपरिक स्थानों में विश्वास करते थे, परंपरावादी थे और वो जोर देते थे परंपरावादियों ने परंपरा के महत्व पर जोर दिया और त्वरित परिवर्तन के लिए क्रमिक विकास को प्राथमिकता दिया। नहीं, वो कभी भी परिवर्तन नहीं चाहते थे, वो कंजर्वेटिव कभी भी चेंजिंग नहीं चाहते थे। ये आंसर गलत होगा। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। ट्रीटी ऑफ डॉट डॉट रिकॉग्नाइज द ग्रीस एज द इंडिपेंडेंस। आंसर विल बी वियना 1815, कॉन्स्टेंटिनोपल 1832, वर्साई 1814, लाइपेज 1813। आंसर विल बी कॉन्स्टेंटिनोपल 1832। The three wars over 7 years with Austria, Denmark, Germany and France ended in Danish victory, Prussian victory, French victory, German victory. Answer will be Prussian victory. Who proclaimed the Emperor of Germany in 1871? Ottoman Bismarck, Victor Emmanuel II, Count Cabrior, Kaiser William I of Prussia. Answer will be Kaiser William I of Prussia. Second number question, 41 number question. Who became the king of United Italy in 1861? Giuseppe Garibaldi, Victor Emmanuel II, Count Cabrior, Giuseppe Mazzini. Answer will be Victor Emmanuel II. Question number 42. What helped in the formation of nation state in Britain? The formation of nation state in Britain was result of sudden upheaval. In 1688, the monarchy in Britain has seized the power from the English Parliament. The Parliament, through a bloodless revolution, seized power from the monarchy, which gradually led to the emergence of nation state. The British nation was formed as a result of war with Scotland and Wales. What will be the answer? Answer will be question number C. Option number C. The Parliament, through a bloodless revolution, seized power from the monarchy, which gradually led to emergence of a nation state. ब्रिटेन में राष्ट्र राज का निर्माण तब हुआ, संसद ने एक रक्तहीन क्रांति के माध्यम से, रक्त इसमें नहीं बहा था, राजशाही शासन से सत्ता छीन लिया और राष्ट्र राज का उदय हुआ। उसमें मोनार्की के पावर को सीज कर दिया गया, जो आज भी चल रहा है। Question number 43. The allegory of the German nation who wears a crown of oak leaves was a Marianne, Union Jack, Britannia, Germania. Answer will be option number D, Germania. A large part of Balkan region was under the control of Russian Empire, Ottoman Empire, German Empire, Habsburg Empire. Answer will be Ottoman Empire. You know, Ottoman Empire. Ottoman Empire was established by Seljuk first. Picture based question. Which of the following aspect best significance? Round Table Conference at London, Constituent Assembly of India, the Frankfurt Parliament of the Church St. Paul, the Hall of the Mirror of Versailles. Answer will be Hall of Mirror, Hall of Mirror of Versailles. Next question. Which of the following aspect best signifying the image of courier Rhineland? The victories of Napoleon, the difficulties faced by Napoleon, losses of Napoleon, journey of Napoleon. Answer will be losses of Napoleon. Next question. The painting The Dream of Worldwide Democratic and Social Republic was prepared by whom? Giuseppe Mazzini, Frederick Sorio, Henry Patiolo, Duke Metternich. Answer will be Frederick Sorio. Next question. Identify the figure on the stamp. Nathaniel Currier, Philip Beard, Edward Bailey, Richard Sholton Grip. Who among the following has painted the image of Germania? Nathaniel Currier, Philip Beath, Edward Bailey, Richard Shelton Stall. आंसर विल बी फिलिप बेट। स्टूडेंट्स, ये सब पिक्चर बेस्ड क्वेश्चन आता है, इसको आप लोग मिस ना करें, बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है। हैज़ पोर्ट्रेड एज होल्डिंग द बेस ऑफ द बूट सो दैट द किंग विक्टर इमैनुअल कैन इंटर इट द टॉप। ऑटोमन बिस्मार्क, गिउसेप मेजिनी, गैरीबाल्डी, कैप्योर को बूट आधार पर होल्डिंग के रूप में चित्रित किया गया है। राजा विक्टर इमैनुअल उसमें प्रवेश कर रहे हैं, ये दिखाया गया है। राजा विक्टर इमैनुअल को कौन पहना रहा है? गैरीबाल्डी। ओके, गैरीबाल्डी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। नाउ आई विल स्टार्ट some question related to geography MCQ. Question number 1 related to geography, resources and development. Number 1 question. Where was the first international earth summit? Rio de Janeiro, Geneva, Switzerland, Philippines. Where was the first international Earth Summit? First international Earth Summit held in Janeiro, in Rio de Janeiro, June 3 to 14, 1992. Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. Brazil. It is also known as UN UNCED. जो फर्स्ट अर्थ समिट हुआ था 3 से 14 जून के बीच में 1992 को हुआ था, 1992 को। इसे UNCED के रूप में भी जाना जाता है। UNCED का फुल फॉर्म होता है यूनाइटेड नेशन कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑन इन्वायरमेंट एंड डेवलपमेंट। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ इट्स origin, resources can be classified into renewable and non-renewable resources, continuous and biological, biotic and abiotic, recycle and non-recycle. Answer will be biotic and abiotic. Next question. Which state among the northeastern state has been fully surveyed for its land use? उत्तर पूर्वी राज्यों में किस राज्य की भूमि उपयोग के लिए पूर्ण सर्वेक्षण किया गया है? अरुणाचल प्रदेश, त्रिपुरा, मणिपुर, असम। आंसर विल बी असम। द ओशियन रिसोर्सेज till 200 nautical miles are classified under which zone? Exclusive economic zone, export processing zone, a special economic zone, none of these. Answer will be EEZ, exclusive economic zone. Next question. Which of the following is essential for the sustainable development all forms of life? Resources planning, resource management, resource extraction, resource generation. Answer will be resource planning. Everything available in our environment to satisfy need is termed as technology, natural vegetation, resources, none of these. Answer will be resources. Question number 7. Geothermal energy in Puga Valley and Parvati Valley are stock resources, reserve resources, developed resources, potential resources. Answer will be developed resources. Which one of the following is the main cause of the land degradation in Punjab? Intensive cultivation, over irrigation, deforestation, overgrazing. Answer will be over irrigation. Individual, community, national and international resources are classified on the basis of origin of exhaustibility, ownership, status of development. Answer will be ownership. Which of the following is not classified on the basis of a status of development? Potential resources, developed resources, reserve resources, renewable resources. Answer will be renewable resources. Question number 11. The resources which are obtained from biosphere and have life are called biotic, abiotic, parasitic, None of these. Answer will be biotic. What percentage of land in India consists of fertile plains? 70%, 61%, 38%, 43%. Answer will be 43%. Next question. Which of the following type of resources is iron ore? Renewable, biotic, flow, non-renewable. Answer will be non-renewable. Under which of the following type of resources can tidal energy be put? Replenishable, human made. Answer will be replenishable, replenishable also called renewable. तो टाइडल एनर्जी होता है उसको रिप्लेंसिबल भी बोलते हैं और रिप्लेंसिबल को ही रिन्यूएबल बोलते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. एरिया सोन मोर देन वंस इन एन एग्रीकल्चर ईयर प्लस नेट सोन एरिया इज नॉन एज. एक कृषि वर्ग में एक से अधिक बार बोया गया क्षेत्र और शुद्ध बोया गया क्षेत्र कहलाता है. फैलो लैंड्स, क्रॉप लैंड, ग्रॉस क्रॉप लैंड्स, ग्रेजिंग लैंड. आंसर विल बी आंसर विल बी ग्रॉस क्रॉप्ड एरिया. Gross cropped area. The land which is left uncultivated for more than 5 years agriculture is called grazing land, fallow land, cultivable wasteland, barren wasteland. Answer will be cultivable wasteland. Next question. Which of the following soil is more common in Piedmont plains such as the Duraj, Gauss and Terial? Alluvium, black soil, laterite soil and red soil. Answer will be alluvium soil. Which soil is known as the regude soil? Black, alluvium, red and laterite. Black soil is known as regude soil. Next question. The lower horizon of the arid soil is occupied by conker due to increasing. Answer will be calcium content. Next question. How much total geographical area of India? Answer will be 3.28 million square kilometer. The running water cuts through a clay soil, badland, deltas, gullies, none of these. Answer will be gullies. In which of the following state terrace cultivation practiced? पंजाब, प्लेन्स ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश, हरियाणा एंड उत्तराखंड. पहाड़ी क्षेत्रों में टेरेस कल्टीवेशन होता है. आंसर विल बी उत्तराखंड. Now question related to agriculture. Which of the following method has been changed depending upon the characteristics of physical environment, technological know-how and socio-culture practice? Industrial activity, cultivation, irrigation pattern and none of these. Answer will be cultivation. हमारा देश में खेती करने का तरीके में बहुत बदलाव आया है. Chuming in Brazil is called ladang, mashol, roca, none of these. Answer will be roca. What is boro? Kharif crops, rabi crops, जायद crops, none of these. Boro is also known as kharif crops. Ragi, is very rich in zinc, iron, iodine, phosphorus. Answer will be iron. Is slash and burn agriculture intensive farming, zooming farming, commercial farming, none of these. आंसर विल बी इंटेंसिव फार्मिंग. पहले आदिवासी लोग स्लैश एंड बर्न एग्रीकल्चर करते थे. जहाँ भी खेती करने जाते थे कुछ दिन के लिए खेती करते थे, वहाँ जंगलों को जला देते, खेती करते और फिर वो ज़मीन जब बंजर हो जाता था उसे छोड़कर दूसरे जगह चले जाते थे. और इस तरह की खेती को हम लोग बोलते हैं स्लैश एंड बर्निंग. और ये सबसे ज़्यादा नुकसानदेह था. इसे अंग्रेज़ों ने बाद में रोक लगाया था. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. एग्रीकल्चर कंट्रीब्यूट्स टू इंडिया नेशनल इनकम 33%, 40%, 22%, none of these. Answer will be none of these. Total contribution of India's GDP 18.3%, also called 18 to 19%. Next question. Rabi crops are sown in winter, summer, monsoon, none of these. Answer will be winter. Next question. Which of the following is a staple food crops of a majority of the people in India? Jowar, wheat, bajra, rice. Answer will be rice. Which is Rabi crops? Barley, jute, paddy, none of these. Answer will be barley. Which of the following is Jayad crops? Moong, urad, mustard, watermelon. Answer will be watermelon. Next question. For irrigation, most of the Indian farmers depend on reservoir, monsoon, rivers, tube wells. Answer will be monsoon. The crops grown in Rabi season: wheat, peas, barley, mustard. Rice, jute, maize, soybean. Pulses, melons, vegetables, sugarcane and tobacco. Answer will be wheat, peas, barley and mustard. Next question. Which of the following farming practice depend upon the monsoon, naturally fertile of the soil and suitability of the other environment condition? निम्नलिखित में कौन सी कृषि पद्धति मानसून, मिट्टी की प्राकृतिक उर्वरता और अन्य पर्यावरणीय परिस्थितियों पर निर्भर है? कॉमर्शियल फार्मिंग, इंटेंसिव सब्सटेंसेस फार्मिंग, प्रिमिटिव फार्मिंग, प्लांटेशन. Answer will be primitive substances. Next question. Which type of agriculture practice is famous in northeastern state like Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram and Nagaland? Zooming, slash and burn farming, commercial farming, substances farming. Answer will be zooming. Next question. What population of India engaged in agriculture? 2/3, 1/4, 3/4, 2/4. Answer will be 3/4. In which of the month the Kharif crops are harvested? April to June, January to February, September to October, June to July. आंसर विल बी सितंबर टू जून. खरीफ मीन्स धान की खेती. एग्जाम्पल के लिए ओस, अमन, बोरो. इस टाइप ऑफ विच टाइप ऑफ फूड? मैजी, ज्वार, पैडी, बाजरा। आंसर विल बी मानसून। Oats, almond and burro is a type of crops. Maize, jowar, paddy, bajra. Answer will be paddy. Watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, vegetable and fodder crops are this type of. Answer Zaid crops, Rabi crops, Kharif crops, none of these. Answer will be Zaid crops. Which of the following was the main focus of our first 5-year plans? Cost of food grains, industrialization, land reform, globalization. Answer will be land reform. Who was declared as the spiritual head of Gandhiji? गांधी जी के आध्यात्मिक उत्तराधिकारी के रूप में किसे घोषित किया गया? सुभाष चंद्र बोस, विनोबा भावे, जवाहरलाल नेहरू, सरदार पटेल। आंसर विल बी विनोबा भावे। So finally students, 100 टॉप 100 क्वेश्चन इज कम्प्लीटेड। आप लोगों को 100 क्वेश्चन, लगभग 100 MCQ क्वेश्चन को पार्ट 1 में मैंने कंप्लीट करवा दिया। नेक्स्ट पार्ट 1 में फिर से 100 क्वेश्चन को कंप्लीट करवाऊंगा। इस प्रकार लगभग 3 से 4 सीरीज 100 क्वेश्चन का चलेगा MCQ। अगर आप इस MCQ क्वेश्चंस को देख लेते हैं तो कम से कम आपका 20 मार्क्स कहीं नहीं जाने वाला है। सो स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोग ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इस वीडियो को देखें, लाइक करें, शेयर करें एंड सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट टॉप 100 MCQ related to SST. Thank you.